Okay, these are the two methods I use in making feathers. The first one is this one that I make two loops at the end. Then I'll push in the other end into the other part. Then I'll tighten everything. Then tie it for the second time to make it firm on the stick or the broom that I am using. So I keep on repeating this process over and over. I'm sorry, this stick is moving around. Next time, if I'm doing this tutorial, I'm going to stick it to something firm. We'll use a longer one so that it will stay in one place. I keep on repeating this process over and over, then tighten it by tying it for the second time. Then this is the process I use, and I go to this very stage and I do it again, pull it out, tighten it for the second time, and I repeat the process again. Then after completing the stick to the level that I want it, halfway, then I trim everything together. I trim both sides. Then after trimming with the scissors, try to use the sharp scissors. I think this scissors is not that sharp, so I trim everything. And again, just try to make both sides to be equal. This is the second method. This is the simplest. You just tie. If you've ever tied something, you can just do this. You just tying it twice. See, I just used two after cutting everything too. Then I repeated the process, tied for the second time to make it firm, and to make it so that it will stick together. So after tying, I push it to the other end. Then I brush the two. I actually use a comb. I use a brush. I use a wig brush to unravel everything. I make it smoother a bit to an extent, not totally smooth, but to an extent. Then I have these two beautiful ones. Actually, it's three. So this is what I have. Thank you. Bye.